Hi YouTube family, welcome to Crystal Face channel again. Today I am doing a at-home all-purpose cleaner using white vinegar, the classic Blue Dawn, and my favorite Pine Sol. A lot of times on YouTube, you'll just see people mixing the Dawn and the white vinegar together for the all-purpose cleaner, and not adding the Pine Sol. But like I said, I love Pine Sol. I use it for my floors and other different things. So let's go ahead and mix this concoction. So I just pour a little vinegar in there. I'm not afraid that I'm gonna spill it everywhere because I've been doing this for a while, and I kind of eyeball it. So this much vinegar, I already had a little bit of the concoction left over from last time I mixed it. I don't rinse it out or anything because I'm adding the same stuff. Then I use my Dawn, my classic Blue Dawn, and I just eyeball that as well. That's my son in the background trying to open up a gift. If you hear some rattling noises. Okay. And that's about enough soap. You can eyeball it or try your own Dawn to white vinegar. I don't like it to be too soapy because if you put too much Dawn in it, it'll become very soapy. So let's add the vinegar, the Pine Sol. That's about it. Shake it up. Shake it up. Yep, let me clean up my mess. I didn't spill a lot. Let me close this up. And there you have it, the Pine Sol vinegar Dawn all-purpose cleaner. And a lot of times I use this instead of bleach because this can eat up your stainless steel appliances, where this concoction you can use for everything, your tubs, your shower scum. Like if you have a glass shower, like I kind of do a glass door in my shower, this is very good for soap scum. The Dawn cuts that grime. You can also use it on your stove, your refrigerator, if you have stainless steel appliances, because it does not eat away at your stainless steel. I made a mistake by using bleach on some of my stainless steel appliances, and I was like, why am I getting these rust stains or things of that nature? And that's because the bleach was eating away at my stainless steel. This works great. And that's it. I'll show you some before and after videos of me cleaning my stove. So let's get started with my before and after. You'll see my stove, my microwave, and my refrigerator. A little more dirt on the refrigerator. Some of the scratches are from my son Caleb with bamming his toys on my refrigerator. Okay, after spraying, you just take a towel and you wipe, scrub, wipe. As you can see, it's all clean. Showing you guys a little bit of the close-up. My microwave is all clean, nice and shiny. Let's open it up and take a look. Clean, clean, clean. Now, I know you're wondering what I do with my little knobs, and I soak them. But that's all. This is my refrigerator. The end. Until next time. Thanks.